Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine and studying well. So children, as we are interacting with each other every day, so this is the time of learning and seeking something. So please be regular in the class, online class as well as in the video classes also. So this is the time when we have to revise whatever we have done yesterday, children. So we have completed most of the part of this story, Tale of Two Birds. We have completed. And we move to the next or last page of this story. And if I'll revise this or recall this story, so I would like to say that there was a bird, mother bird, who lived in the very beautiful nest in the old shady tree. One day, a storm struck its nest and it fell down, and the mother bird was dead. And its two kids, or you can say two little tiny birds, blown away with the help of the storm, they blown away other side of the forest. And one bird reached near the cave of robbers, and the other bird reached near the Rishi's ashram. Now children, we have seen that one day as the time passed away and these two birds grown up now, so one day the king went inside that forest in search of a deer, and he was very tired that day because he spent all his days in searching of that deer, so that he lost his way and he reached near the cave of robbers. There was a very shady tree. There he sat down, and when he sat down, what he heard? He heard that some shrilling sound which was coming from his head, or you can out of his up of his head. So what he saw when he looked up, he saw a brown big bird chirping something or telling something. And that was the statement of that brown bird was very terrifying for the king. The king ran away with all his, you can say with horse and all his, whatever he was carrying, he just ran away. That brown bird was telling that come and rob this person because he's having lots of jewels and he's looking like a very rich man. And that bird was calling the robbers. And after that, the king ran away and he reached near the Rishi's ashram, where there also a shady tree. He sat down, and where he found, or you can say he heard, a beautiful melodious sound, very calm and patient sound that was greeting him. Please come, sir, inside this ashram. We welcome you. So please go and have some fresh water, or if you want to eat, you can eat something and take rest and be calm and patient. Then again, king looked up. What he saw? He saw the same bird. The appearance of the bird was same. So he looked up and saw, and he was amazed. He was surprised to see that birds are talking. And here you can see that because the difference between their voices, one was shrilling sound and very terrifying sound, and here you can see very calm and patient sound, full of love and compassion, and it's giving greetings and welcoming this king. So he was amazed. Now we are moving to the next page. That welcome, sir, he said to the king. Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired, rest for a while, then you can share my food. Now here children, as we have seen yesterday that after answering that, or you can say the statement was given by that brown bird, which is very compassionate. Now here you can see he said to himself loudly, "You are right, sir, answered the bird. He is my brother." Now here you can see from here, just then the rishi entered the ashram. After the bird had given the answer, the rishi entered into the ashram. So, "Welcome, sir," he said to the king. "Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while, then you can share my food." Now here you can see the master of that ashram was Rishi. And Rishi, or you can say he was a saint, so that is why he told to king, "Come inside, my dear sir, and take a rest and have something, because I have prepared my food so you can have something. And you are looking tired, so please take rest. Come inside the hut." The king told the rishi the story of two birds and how each had behaved so differently, though they looked so alike. The forest was full of surprises. Now king was amazed to hearing these type of the sound which were coming from these similar two birds. Now king wanted to ask the secret behind this. So here king asked to Rishi, and what the Rishi answered? "The forest is full of surprises, sir. So this is the one surprise you have seen, but there is so many unrevealed thing." So this is the forest. This is the speciality of a forest. Okay, children. So here the holy man smiled and said, "After all, one is known by the company one keeps. That bird has always heard the talk of robbers. He imitates them, talks about robbing people. This one has repeated when he has always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. Now come inside and rest. I'll tell you more about this place and these birds." So children, here you can see the hermit, or you can say this holy person, revealed the secret. That secret is very common but very spacious. Now here you can see, after all, one is known by the company one keeps. It means the personality is known by the company one keeps. It's meaning that if I am belonging to the bad company, so I'll speak bad things to others. Or we used to hurt anyone because our language became very, very disgusting. So these type of the experience, whatever the king has already experienced this, so that is why the hermit, the holy man, was describing. Because one who belongs to the bad company, and here you can see the hermit explain that bird belongs to the bad company, because he reached and he grown up near the, or you can say the lap of the robbers. That bird was residing near the robber's cave, and that bird used to hear everything whatever the robbers were talking. So that is why that was really, really you can say that very tough, that if the person is living beside these type of the people, so they will speak like that. So this is the main purpose of the holy man to explain. This one has repeated what he has always heard. So that bird was imitating the same thing, the same dialogue which the bird has used to listen always. This one has repeated what he has always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. Now come inside and rest. I'll tell you more about these places and these birds. Now, king wanted to explore these things because these are, as you have seen, this holy man explained that, King, don't worry, this forest is full of surprises. So come and rest with me, reside with me. I'll tell you the secret of this forest. So children, here you can see, he welcomes people to the ashram. Now come inside and rest. I'll tell you more about this place and these birds. I will tell you, I will explain in detail about these birds and these type of animals which are residing and are living inside this deep forest or dense forest. So children, here you can see the moral of the chapter, that is only and only we should belong, we should be in a very good company. We should use correct word, or you can say gentle words to others. If we are not using gentle words to others, so it is showing your upbringing. Okay, you are belongs to your family. So you are showing how your family grown up you. So children, always remember, because you are the presenter of your family, or you can say you are the representative of your family. So don't give an incorrect identity of your family. Okay, so please, it's my request, don't move in the bad company. Don't take or don't make any relationship with the bad company. A bad company in the sense that those children, those who are speaking lie, or they are not telling the truth and they are abusing or they are stealing. So these type of the habits some children are doing. So don't sit with them. Please take your way and move from there. So this is my advice. So because if you will sit together, so you will learn many bad things and many worse things. So don't sit with them. So this is my message for you. So children, be very calm, very gentle in your speaking, because your tongue creates magic, or your tongue creates disgust also. So your tongues will tell the real, or you can say the tongue express your personality, what you are. So always remember, use word which is important. Don't use unnecessary word while speaking. So which you can say that these are very, very special words, that whatever we are speaking. So God has given you a beautiful tongue, a beautiful mind. So use this. Don't destroy this. So always be patient, be gentle, and be kind. So this will improve your personality and you will enhance your life skill. So this is the message of this story. Now children, because we are having lot of questions here, so you can see in questions, how did the two baby birds get separated? Now next one is, where did each of them find a home? And the next one is, what did the first bird say to the stranger? What did the second bird say to him? So now children, first we will write first question, how did the two baby birds get separated. Now I'm going to write on the board the answer. Answer number 1. The two baby birds lived in a tall tree. In a tall tree with their mother. With their mother children. The mother bird was killed. The mother bird was killed. The mother bird was killed. The strong wind blew. The two chicks away to the two chicks away to the other side of the forest. Other side of the forest at a little distance from each other. At a little distance from each other. From each other. So children, completed answer number 1. This is the two baby birds lived in a tall tree with their mother. The mother bird was killed. The strong wind blew the two chicks away to the other side of the forest at a little distance from each other. Now children, we are moving to the next question. Where did each of them find a home? So answer number 2. The first bird found his home in the cave. Found his home in the cave of robbers, and the second one second bird reached near the Rishi's ashram. Okay, so one bird found a robber's cave and the other bird found Rishi's ashram. Now children, next question is, what did first bird say to the stranger? What did first bird say to the stranger? So I am going to write on the board answer number 3. Answer number 3 is, the first bird The first bird cried out to the stranger, to the strangers or stranger, to hurry up, and come quick. Come quick, as there was someone under the tree. Under the tree. It said, come and take away. Come and take away his jewels. His jewels, and his house, and his horse, and his horse, in a hurry. In a hurry, or else he would slip away. Or else he would slip away. So children, complete this answer. This is answer number 3. Take a screenshot. Now we are moving to the 4th number question. The 4th number question is, what did the second bird say to him? So now first bird said something, and now here second bird is also told something to the king. So for this, I'll erase this answer number 1. Okay, so now we are writing answer number 4. Answer 4. The second bird welcomed the king to the ashram. To the ashram. Okay? He requested the stranger to drink water take rest, drink water, take rest, and make himself make himself comfortable. 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 Make himself comfortable. Now, here you can see he added. He added, what he added? That his brother lived in the company. That his brother lived in the company of robbers. So he talked like them. So he talked like them. So children, completed. This is answer number 4. We have completed. Now after that, we will move to the answer number 5. Okay? So children, complete it. Or take a screenshot, and I am going to remove this answer number 2. Okay, now answer number 5, and question number 5 is, how did Rishi explain the different ways in which the word behaved? So here children, answer number 5, I am writing, Rishi explained that the birds behaved in a way which they learned from their respective environments. Okay? Their respective environments. The bird who lived near a cave. The bird who lived near a cave along with the gang of robbers always heard the talk of robbers so he imitated. So it imitated them and talked about robbing people. Talked about robbing people. Okay? The second bird had repeated what it had always heard in the ashram. So it welcomed so that you can see the changes or the character of two birds, children. So completed. So here bird in hand is worth two in the bush. One is known by the company one keeps, and the last one is friend in need is a friend indeed. So here I am going to write the answer of number 6. Okay children, this is number 5 answer. So the second option is correct. Second option is correct. One is known by the company one keeps. So children, completed. One is known by the company one keeps. Okay? So complete it. So complete, these answers are completed, children. This chapter is completed now, and we will move to the next chapter in honeysuckle. So we will start the second chapter of honeysuckle. One chapter of honeysuckle and one chapter of this supplementary reader book is completed now. So we will meet again and we will complete this exercises, whatever the question and answer we should do. So now, till then, bye-bye and take care, or take a screenshot.